The Bible says, ask, seek, and knock, and the door will be open for you. Imagine that we have that kind of attitude to keep on knocking in God's doorstep, to keep on asking for His presence, to keep on asking for His time, to keep on seeking Him. And then God says, it will be open for you. What are you praying for? What are we asking God for? We may be asking God, Lord, give us a house, give us a car, give us, a successful job, give us a financial breakthrough. All these things may sound right and sound true, but imagine if you ask of God first, who is the source of everything, who is the author of life. Imagine if we begin to desire in the morning to spend time with God first before we start our day. Imagine if we begin to seek God in our workplace, seek God wherever we are, in our planning, we involve God in everything. And I'm telling you, all these things that you're praying for, when you begin to seek God first, Him first, all these things will be given to you. Why? Because He is the source of it all. He is the beginning and the end. Everything was created because of Him. Everything. That's why I encourage you and myself to put God first more than anything else. Set aside everything else and just say, God, I just want you. I desire you. And Lord, all my worries, all what I'm praying for, I lay it at your altar, Lord. Here's my heart, God. Here's my heart. Lead me. As you, I don't want to be independent of you. I want to be dependent of you. Thanks, everyone.